So, this is an artificial intelligence course for beginners, and in this short video, I want to talk a little bit about uh, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, its application. And I want to remind you that there is coding in this course. This is not one of those no code courses, but even if you have no experience coding, if you've never seen a Python program, we will start from the very basics and we will get into more complicated programs, functions, models of machine learning and data science. This is one of the many notebooks that we will walk through in the course, and I will give you access to these notebooks also so you can study them after the classes. But in the next couple of minutes, I want to talk a little bit about how in this course we will be talking about some machine learning and data science models like k nearest neighbors, decision trees, and what they are. So when you think data science and machine learning, couple of things you want to keep in mind. You want to be thinking predictions and sort of classifications. Those are the two main types of uh, machine learning and data science algorithms that you'll find. So in the applications which I talked about in another video, we have classification algorithms and we have regression algorithms, predictive. Both of them are predictive in some sense, but regression, for example, if you have past grades of a student, if you have a data set for the past year's grades of all the students in a school, you feed this into a model, split it into a training and testing set, feed into the model, training set, then test it. Then after that, you can, if your model is accurate, can predict the grades of a student based on certain factors, demography, parents' education, study time, habit. So these, based on these factors, you can predict the grade of the student. So that's something that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science can do. Also, in terms of classification models, you can build a model based on past credit card transactions to check if a new transaction is fraudulent or normal. Now, again, this data set is split. That happens in all training, where the data set is split into a training set and a testing set. And after training, the model is tested for its accuracy, precision, and then after that, after it's deployed, we can check if the new credit card transaction is fraudulent or normal, which is very advantageous, can save a lot of money. And many applications of data science and machine learning are so critical these days that we cannot live without them. And the future is bright if you know artificial intelligence. So I look forward to seeing you in the course.